Hey everyone, get ready to explore. Our first stop as we start to climb is this incredible gate, the Gate of Dispelling Clouds. It's a mouthful, right?
The name comes from a poem by Guo Pu, a famous poet from way back in the Jin dynasty. Basically, it says this is such an amazing place, supernatural beings will appear. Think good luck and long life. Let's head inside and see what it's all about.
Now behind me is the Hall of Dispelling Clouds. This is one of the Samurai Palace's most important buildings.
So what was it used for? Well, the story starts with Emperor Qianlong, who built a temple to celebrate his mother's 60th birthday. That temple was destroyed in 1860 and then rebuilt under Emperor Guangxu. Empress Dowager Cixi had planned to use this hall as her bedchamber, but the legend said she got sick soon after moving in because of the proximity to the Tower of Buddhist Incense. So instead, she moved to the Hall of Happiness and Longevity and celebrated her birthday here in the Hall of Dispelling Clouds, including her big 70.
Okay, let's keep on climbing. As we follow this veranda, we're heading towards the Samurai Palace's most iconic landmark, the Tower of Buddhist Incense.
This was built on Longevity Hill during Emperor Qianlong's reign, and it's a masterpiece of Chinese architecture. Fun fact, the original plan was for a 9-story pagoda, but they changed it to a Buddhist tower when they were already working on the 8th floor. Many of the buildings here, it was destroyed and later rebuilt by Emperor Guangxu. Empress Dowager Cixi used to come here to pray and burn incense twice a month. This reconstruction project cost a fortune, about 780,000 taels of silver. Inside, you will find a giant 5-meter-high statue of the 1,000-handed Guanshi Buddha, made of bronze and covered in gold, dating back to the Ming Dynasty. The statue weighs 5 tons. It's truly a sight to see, surrounded by those massive pillars. If you look to the east side, you will notice a big stele. That's the stele of Longevity Hill and Kunming Lake. Qianlong Emperor wrote 6 Chinese characters on the stele. Behind the stele, there are some Buddhist buildings, the revolving archives, inspired by the Hangzhou Fayun Temple. The wooden archives were designed to be turned, symbolizing the chanting of sutras. Over on the west slope, you will see a bronze pavilion, the Baoyun Pavilion, because it's made entirely of bronze. It's also called the Golden Pavilion. It's one of the largest and most impressive bronze buildings in China. The pavilion was built in 1755, Emperor Qianlong's reign. Qing emperors and empresses used to come here to pray. It's pretty heavy, about 207 tons. Everything, from the beams to the tiles, was cast in bronze using traditional techniques. The lamas from Tibet would come here to pray for the emperors and empresses of the Qing dynasty. You can see the brackets on the stone cliff behind it. They were used to hang Buddha figures during ceremonies. Let's continue north of the Tower of Buddhist Incense. First, you will see a beautiful archway with yellow glazed tiles. The text here is a Buddhism hymn, describing this place as like the Holy Land of Buddha. And finally, here we are, at the Hall of the Sea of Wisdom, the highest building on Longevity Hill. It was first built in 1750 during Emperor Qianlong's reign. What makes it unique? It's a religious building made of brick and stone, designed to look like wooden architecture, but without any beams supporting the weight. So, it's also known as No Beam Hall. The hall is eye-catching for its shining glazed bricks all around it. There are glazed Buddha statues on the wall around arch gates. A total of 1,008 of these statues are the highlight, making this building especially unique.
Well, that's it for the front of the hill. Ready for more? Let's head to the back of the hill, where you can enjoy the garden within the garden. What do you say?